Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get drone parts in Last War Survival. In Last War Survival, collecting drone parts can be a game changer, and there are several ways to do it. First, focus on looting buildings and areas, as drone parts are often hidden in various lootable locations once you reach the required level. Next, completing missions as you progress may unlock crafting options, allowing you to create drone parts from materials gathered in game. Another option is purchasing from in game shops or merchants, where both parts and crafting materials are occasionally available. Finally, participate in events and seasonal updates, since exclusive drone parts can be earned as rewards. To maximize efficiency, prioritize collecting parts for the drones you use most often, and keep track of daily merchant stock to avoid missing rare drops. By combining looting, missions, shops, visits, and event participation, you'll steadily collect the drone parts you need to upgrade your gameplay. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.